Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert. In today's video, we are going to talk about 7 ways to make $10,000 a month online. But before we start, don't forget to like this video and click the notification bell to be notified of future videos. Making $10,000 a month is something many people wish for, but it's not that easy if you are working a day job. The average American makes $3,714 a month, which is way less than $10,000. Luckily, in the digital era, there are many ways you can make $10,000 or more every month. I've compiled 7 legitimate ways to make $10,000 a month in this video. You may not find all of these ways worth trying, but I am hopeful you'll end up with at least one way that works for you. Number 7. Start a dropshipping business. Have you ever heard about dropshipping? If not, then you are truly missing out. Dropshipping has changed the lives of thousands of people across the world, with some entrepreneurs making more than $100,000 in profit each month. It's a business model where you buy cheap products from vendors like AliExpress, Alibaba, or eBay and sell them on Amazon or your own Shopify store at a higher price. The best part? You don't have to buy or ship products yourself. It's all automated with tools like Oberlo. Here's how you can get started. Set up your online store. Create an online store on Shopify. It's super easy and everything is drag and drop. You don't need any coding skills to get started. Source products. Go to AliExpress or any other site from where you want to buy products. Import the products you want to sell to your online store through Oberlo. Set your prices with good profit margins. Promote your store. Use Facebook or Google Ads to drive traffic to your store. You can also use social media, influencers, and SEO to get organic traffic. Automate the fulfillment process. Once someone places an order on your store, Oberlo will automatically gather the shipping address of the customer, place the same order on AliExpress or any other site, and the supplier will ship the product to the customer's address. By following these steps, you can build a successful dropshipping business. Number 6. Offer freelance writing services. Freelance writing involves creating content for companies and individuals, and it's one of the most in-demand online skills right now. If you can write well, this is a great opportunity to make a substantial income. Here's how to get started. Choose your niche. Pick a niche like travel, health, beauty, personal finance, or technology. This will help you target your market and become an expert in a specific area. Build your portfolio. Write 10 to 15 articles on your chosen niche to build up your portfolio. This will help you showcase your skills to potential clients. Offer your services. Start offering your services on social media and freelance websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. You can also join writing job boards to find opportunities. Consider copywriting. Copywriting involves writing sales pitches and marketing materials. It's a high-paying area because companies are willing to pay more for content that drives sales. Success in freelance writing takes time and persistence. Keep honing your skills and building your client base. Number 5. Sell t-shirts through Teespring. You can design t-shirts and sell them worldwide without leaving your home. Teespring handles everything from production to shipping. Here's how it works. Design your t-shirt. Create a design using tools like Canva or Photoshop. Make sure your design is unique and eye-catching. Upload your design. Upload your design to Teespring and set the price. Teespring will give you a buying link to promote your t-shirt. Promote your t-shirt. Share the link on social media, forums, and other platforms. Use paid ads to reach a larger audience. Earn money. When someone buys your t-shirt, Teespring handles the production and shipping. You earn the profit minus Teespring's commission. This is a great way to monetize your creativity and reach a global audience. Number 4. Offer social media management services. This involves managing social media pages for clients, running paid ads, posting content, and increasing engagement. Here's how to get started. Learn the skills. If you're not already skilled in social media management, take courses on Skillshare or Udemy to learn how to run Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat ads. Identify potential clients. Look for local businesses that don't have a strong social media presence. These can be your first potential clients. Create a proposal. Send a professional proposal to these businesses explaining how your services can help them. Show examples of competitors who are doing well on social media. Offer your services. Start managing social media accounts, running ads, and creating content for your clients. Use tools like Hootsuite to schedule posts and track performance. Social media management is a scalable business that can bring in substantial income. Number 3. Start a consulting business. If you have expertise in a particular area, offer consulting services to help businesses grow. Here's how to get started. Identify your expertise. Think about what skills or knowledge you have that can benefit businesses. It could be marketing, finance, interior design, or any other field. Reach out to potential clients. Identify businesses that could benefit from your expertise. Send them a proposal offering your consulting services. Provide value. Offer valuable insights and actionable advice to help businesses improve. This can be in the form of one-on-one sessions, workshops, or written reports. Scale your business. As you gain more clients, you can scale your consulting business by offering online courses, writing books, or hosting webinars. Consulting is a high-value service that can generate significant income. Number 2, join a high-ticket affiliate program. These programs offer large payouts, sometimes over $500 per sale. Here's how to get started. Find a high-ticket program. Look for affiliate programs that offer high commissions. These can be found in niches like online courses, software, and high-end products. A good option of a high-ticket program is to become a business loan broker. Business loan brokers make big commissions in the range of $1,000 to $50,000 when they help someone qualify for a loan. You will find the link of training on how to become a business loan broker below this video. Promote the products. Use your blog, YouTube channel, or social media to promote these products. Create valuable content that highlights the benefits of the products. Track your results. Use tracking tools to monitor your sales and see which strategies are working best. Scale your efforts. As you start making sales, reinvest your earnings into paid advertising to reach a larger audience. High-ticket affiliate programs can help you reach your $10,000 per month goal with fewer sales. Number 1. Sell Master Resell Rights, MRR, digital courses. MRR courses allow you to buy the rights to a digital product and then resell it as your own, keeping 100% of the profits. This is a great option for people that cannot create their own course. I am currently making $20,000 per month with a Master Resell Rights opportunity. You will find the link of the opportunity below this video. Here are the steps you need to follow to make money selling Master Resell Rights. Choose a niche. Pick a niche you're passionate about and that has market demand like personal development, business growth, or digital marketing. Research trends using tools like Google Trends, Keyword Planner, and social media platforms to find out what's hot. Source high-quality MRR courses. Find MRR courses on platforms like IDPLR, PLR.me, or PLR Database. Look for courses that offer comprehensive content, professional design, and sales materials like sales pages, graphics, and email swipes. It's important to review the quality of these courses to ensure they provide real value to your customers. Set up your sales funnel. A sales funnel is crucial for converting visitors into customers. Create a landing page that grabs attention and convinces visitors to buy. Use tools like Systeme.io, Kartra, or WordPress. Your funnel should include a lead magnet to capture email addresses, a compelling sales page, an order form, and a thank you page. Integrate an email marketing service like MailChimp or Aber to follow up with leads and customers. Drive traffic to your funnel. Without traffic, your funnel won't convert. Use a mix of organic and paid strategies. Organic methods include blogging, YouTube videos, social media posts, and SEO. Paid methods include Facebook ads, Google ads, and influencer marketing. Track your traffic sources and see which ones bring in the most leads and sales. Double down on what works and continuously optimize your campaigns for better results. Automate and scale. Use automation tools to handle email marketing, customer follow-ups, and social media posts. Tools like Zapier can connect different apps and automate workflows. This will save you time and allow you to focus on growing your business. To scale, consider running joint ventures, affiliate programs, or even creating your own network of resellers. The more people promoting your courses, the more sales you'll make. And there you have it. 7 ways to make $10,000 a month online. You will find the link of my #1 recommendation to make money online below this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.